Welcome and thank you for joining us. We are looking at KCSE 1996 paper 2 question number 7. The question we have reads, in the figure below, BAD and CBD are right angled triangles. Find the length AB. We know BDA is a right angled triangle and BDC is another right angled triangle. We know BD is common to both triangles. We can assume the length of BD to be y. Using y for triangle D, B, and C, we know y is the height, BC is the base, and DC is the hypotenuse. We know if you square the height plus the square of the base, which is 1 squared, this must give us the hypotenuse squared, and the hypotenuse 2x minus 1 squared. Y squared remains y squared, plus 1 squared is 1, and this one is equal to 2x minus 1 squared means 2x minus 1 times 2x minus 1. We open the brackets. We are going to have y squared plus 1 being equal to 2x times 2x, you get 4x squared. Then 2x times minus 1, you get minus 2x. Then minus 1 times positive 2x, you get minus 2x. Then minus 1 times minus 1, you get positive 1. We proceed by collecting like terms together. We have y squared plus 1 being equal to 4x squared. Minus 2x gives us minus 4x, then plus 1. We can now proceed and collect the like terms by moving 1 to the other side so that we make y squared the subject. Y squared is going to be equal to 4x squared minus 4x, of course, plus 1. Positive 1 crosses over and becomes minus, such that y squared is going to be equal to 4x squared minus 4x, and this can be our equation 1. We move again and pick on triangle A, D, and B. Remember, 1 and x are the bases and the heights respectively. Y is the hypotenuse, and we know the square of the hypotenuse will be equal to the square of the base. You add the square of the height. In this case now, since this is y squared, we can call it equation 2. Then we equate 1 and 2. Equating 1 and 2, we are going to have 4x squared minus 4x being equated to x squared plus 1. We can move x squared plus 1 to this other side, such that we are going to have 4x squared minus 4x minus x squared minus 1 is equal to 0. From there, we collect the like terms. 4x squared minus x squared, you get 3x squared minus 4x minus 1 is equal to 0. From here now, we can be able to solve this equation quadratically using quadratic formula method. We know x is going to be equal to minus b plus or minus b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. The value of a is 3, b is negative 4, and c is negative 1. We can now substitute. X is going to be equal to minus b. B is minus 4, minus minus is 4, positive, so it is going to be 4 plus or minus square root of b squared. B squared is minus 4 squared, which is 16, minus, we're going to have 4 times a, which is 1, times c, which is negative 1, and this one is going to give us, that is 4 times a, which is 3 times -1, and this one is going to give us, that is divided by 2 times 3. X is going to be equal to 4 plus or minus square root of, we have 16 minus 4 times 3 is 12 times -1, you get -12. You divide by 6. So our x is going to be equal to 4 plus or minus square root of 16 minus. Now 16 minus -12 will give us positive 28 divided by 6. X is going to be equal to 4 plus or minus the square root of 28. Square root of 28 is 5.29 divided by 6, such that the value of x is going to be equal to 4 plus 5.9, which is 9.29 divided by 6. This one gives us 1.5485, and the other value of x is going to be negative. But since the length cannot be negative, that is 4 minus 5.29 divided by 6, you get a negative number. And therefore now the value of x is going to be equal to 1.549. Since the measurements were given in meters, the answer is going to be in meters. Thank you for watching and welcome to our discussions. And in case you are watching this channel for the first time, please take a second or two, click the subscribe button so that anytime we publish a video like this, you will automatically be given a notification.